We can start this by running a standard analytical exercise, comparing the data profiles of two distinct individuals. Both of these subjects are male. Both are wealthy. Both were born in 1948. Their lifestyle metrics match as well. Both are English, both have been married twice, and both live in castles. One of these profiles belongs to King Charles. The other belongs to the heavy metal rock star Ozzy Osbourne. On paper, traditional marketing puts both of these men into the exact same target audience segment. When the data makes no distinction between a head of state and a rock singer, the methodology is no longer providing useful resolution for predicting behavior. We categorize this demographic approach as industrial age thinking, or an inside-out segmentation model. Grouping people by circumstance fails to identify what they actually require, functionally from a product or a business process. This diagram shows the result of trying to map specific products and services to these broad demographic buckets. The tangled vectors represent the operational complexity forced onto the enterprise side. This is the alternative, the outside-in framework based on categorization by need. Here, the verified functional need dictates the logical flow directly to specific products and services. This alignment aims to eliminate the redundancies found in the inside-out mess. By moving resources only when they serve a verified need, the organization targets specific goals, lower costs and higher revenues. True enterprise alignment requires abandoning the old demographic mess and engineering your processes solely around these verified needs. Customer experience is often misunderstood by so-called gurus as a pursuit of soft sentiments, simply making people feel happy. In actual practice, true customer experience is the systematic engineering of a successful outcome for a business process. In a complex enterprise, we have to define exactly who the customer is that receives this outcome. The functional definition of a customer is a person or entity of a specified kind with whom one has to deal. Delivering a complex process involves satisfying multiple hidden entities behind the scenes, not just the final purchaser. To engineer operational success, an enterprise must look beyond the end user and